Hello. I hope you can all hear me. So let me just check the sound. Okay. So yeah, hi, hello everyone, and today is 23rd of January, and let's discuss what happened last time, what we discussed last time, and what happened today. Okay. So coming to the very first thing is we discussed in the last video that is still upside would be limited because call riders were present, right? And since heavy call riders were present and we saw that XGX Nifty going up, so we discussed that even though there would be there is a chance of gap up, but again the resistance would be there. Okay, so we clearly discussed this that up move will be limited in this video, and exactly that happened. Okay, and now today morning let's discuss how we did all the analysis. So the first thing is that first again told the same thing to the members, like when in the first half or in the first hour both the index were increasing, so I basically told them don't worry, the upside is very limited and this is nothing but to hit the bears. Okay, and we also discussed there were also put writers that I mean FIs were had all I mean FIs also did put writing. Okay, so I mean the put writers would first given the exit, and then we would have a reversal, and then I told that the reversal is very near. Why? Because 9:43 at that point put writing were closing. Okay, so the heavy put writing that the FIIs did, the big players did, so they were closing majority of the positions. Okay, at 9:43, if you just want to check where Nifty was, so this is the candle 9:40 to 9:45. Again they started it here, then they took it up just two more green candles to show a positive to generate a positive sentiment throughout the market. Okay, these two big candles, okay, you may not call them big, but yes, a significant two green candles, and that also helped them to close. Okay, so they were all closing here, and then again Bank Nifty also went near its next resistance, that is 43k, and from there we got a nice reversal, that is 43k was acting as a resistance. And now at 10:04 I clearly told that what we could do is, because we have holiday, so we have our expiry on Wednesday, not on Thursday, remember this. So time decay would be very significant, and that's why I told for put buyers it would be better to go for I mean in the February month option chain series to buy puts. Okay, and this I told when Nifty was at around 160 and Bank Nifty was at 43k resistance. Okay, so this is where you can see like 10:04. Okay, so this is the candle 10, yeah, so this is the candle 10 to 10:05. So yeah, doesn't matter, so almost near to 160. And why I said that, because the 18,100 call riders were waiting, Nifty has to come down. Okay, and also Bank Nifty again should get resistance at 43k, and so everything should come down, and at least should come down by 60 points because it's at 160, and I mean at least 18,100 it should come down, but it came down and took support at the next level that we talked about, 18,084. Okay, and then again it jumped, and then finally there was some consolidation. Okay, so this was a very nice move, like this was an 80 points move, and this was almost more than 250 points move. Okay, so almost you can say 300 points. So 300 points से मतलब थोड़ा ही कम है, मतलब only 34 points or 33 points lesser than 300 points. So yeah, so that was a very nice reversal, and just in Nifty the February 2nd February option chain price, like if you just look at 18,000 put side, so that was the price was around 90 rupees here, and it went to 115 rupees at the end. So more than 25% jump in the price. So that's the thing. And again, I'm not saying that you should take all the 25%. Like be happy with 10 to 15% in a day. Okay, so you got 10 to 15%. I mean, be very happy. So you don't have to double in a day, or or I mean double in 1 week or something. So don't have such a target. So I'm not claiming again that all these 300 points we have captured and everything. So all I'm claiming is that it was a perfect reversal, and one could easily catch 10 to 15%, and that is a very nice margin of profit just for 1 day. Okay, so yeah, now coming to the next thing, that is the indicators. So even the indicators gave the sign of reversal. Like here you would have noticed, like when I gave the signal that is reversal is near, so there if you see that from here score started dropping, or maybe from here also you can see, like here from 954 scores started dropping, and you can very well see that the score were decreasing. Like if you see the score graph slope, so it's in a strictly decreasing fashion. Okay, and though Nifty Nifty is the blue one, so though it tried to go up several times, but finally it came down. Okay, so yes, that, like even you can see here the scores were in 40s, and then they suddenly started coming down, and you can very well see it went into the negative zone thereafter. So yeah, that's the thing. And same thing happened in Bank Nifty also. The scores predicted it very nicely. Like if you see the score, you would understand. Like just check after 950 or here, like it was 43 and then dropped to 20s, 16, again 20s, and then 4, and then single digit, and then negative. Okay, so that's the thing. Like indicators are working perfectly. And yeah, now let's talk about the end of the day data. Before going into that, very small updates, like let's XGX Nifty again is bouncing, but this is not the January expiry, so this value would be for the February expiry, so don't get panicked. Okay, and yeah, and FII is again today sold, but this is not a very significant amount. Okay, so still we would say that FIIs are not yet bullish, so no sign of bullishness for I mean from them. And overall decline, advance to decline ratio, you see it's not like this is for a consolidating market where sometimes advance are winning, sometimes declines are winning. So market can consolidate. We shall discuss why. So let's go to the end of the day data. So if you see futures long, all the positions have been kept intact. Futures short decreased, heavy quantity decreased. Okay, but here option chain put writing. If you notice that I mean slight increase in the put writing. If you just notice from I mean, yeah, you can say that it's a significant amount. Yes, it might be, but not very heavy. Okay, or if you just take it significant amount, but try to understand one thing, that is like they have been made specifically for tomorrow's Nifty expiry. Okay, so most of these call writing positions added today, put writing positions added today, so they have been done, not all, majorly in tomorrow's Nifty expiry. And overall, as we have seen in the last video also, like or last video, let's leave that. So even here also you see the last data, so it's showing that I mean FIs are having the call writing position. So even if there is an uprise, so then again market can consolidate there, but it would be very tough for the option buyers. Okay, so again let me tell you that today we found the perfect reversal, and that's why it could be I mean that's why it was a heaven for the option buyers. But if you took some time around here after, like at when it was near to 18,100, then you see both the side moves, and with time decay I don't think option buyers will win. And that's the thing, like if you didn't catch from the top, then coming down here, then I mean almost both the sides you can see the move, and for option buyers it's not a good sign. Okay, so again, for option buyers you have to be very very careful. Yeah, we were here, and so these put buying positions that they were having, so now they are basically converting them into hedging positions of the put writing positions that they are adding. Okay, and and the futures long positions that they are adding. Okay, so they are using for those put buying for hedging purpose of those positions. And for call buying, again the call buying positions, they have been bought for hedging purpose of these call writing positions. But again, if you see that for this much amount of call writing positions, if this much amount of hedging is required, then why for this much amount of put writing, why more than put buying are required for hedging? Again, as I kept on telling you that they were having put buying positions, but now they are converting them into the hedging positions for their futures long positions. Okay, so and also they might again do huge put writing to tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So all you have to do is find out during the intraday what's going on. That's the only key which can let you win, because again tomorrow if there is a gap up, then again some consolidation can happen. And please do remember, like if there is a gap up tomorrow, then the same game won't be played tomorrow like how the pattern went today, like gap up and then came down. Okay, so tomorrow gap up and it might not come down, it might come down the next day. Okay, but yes, it should come down. That's the thing, because the call writers are still there, heavy call writers are there. Okay, so again, let's see if the FIA starts closing. So we have to differentiate whether the retailers are closing or the FIIs are closing, or the big guys are closing. And that's the thing. Okay, so since only 2 days left, so I would basically stick to sell on rise, because they I mean FIIs are having huge call writing positions, and it's not like they would go at loss with all their call writing positions. Okay, so that's what my strategy would be for now. But again, as I might tell you that like here today also, like for put buyers, I shared my logic with you, and here for call writers I just said that with your risk appetite you can call writers can just write any position and just wait and watch. Okay, so again all these analysis are just for educational purpose, no recommendation or something. So yes, if my analysis is helping you, that's fine. Otherwise you can do your own analysis, and yeah, that's the thing. So yeah, let's see if you have any queries or questions. So no, then I'll end it here. So if you liked my analysis, if you think that my analysis is helping you with all these daily videos, so please do like the video, and please do share it among the fellow traders. And thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.